If you're going to be selling AI services, one of the cool things that I would always tell my affiliates to do, the people that sign up with high level under me, is just simply create a demo. You're already going to have, so why not create a demo account? So I have another phone number that I use for a demo account. And if somebody clicks on this, it's like, hey, why don't you go try our demo? It's in the top right corner. And if they click on this, it just simply opens it up and it pre-frames the demo. This way they don't click the button and have it automatically call. This way it gives them an idea. And it just simply says, thank you for reviewing our online demo. Here it is. We have a fake company called Fresh Flow Heating and Cooling. It's just a fake company that we're using. And I just said, here's the scenario. Pretend you're a person and it has a heating and cooling problem. Please make sure that you use the right email address because there are workflows that are set up on this calendar that's connected to this. It's a test calendar, but that way they can schedule an appointment. When they schedule an appointment, a workflow fire sends them an email and a text message. Oh, this is, hey, thank you for confirming your appointment. And it actually shows them what their customer would get if they were to go online and book it, and gives them a complete demonstration. Now, the cool thing about it is part of the workflow, within 10 minutes or so after the appointment is booked, it deletes the appointment in the workflow. So I clean up the calendar just to make sure people don't book it and things like it doesn't get full with any of that other stuff. So I just delete the appointment. And then when they click on this button, all it does is just simply call. That was pretty cool. That didn't take a lot to get set up. I did have to give it the content on that particular pop-up of what to do, what to put on there, but it followed the instructions very well. And it keeps the color scheme, the size, the font, layouts, all that stuff, it keeps fairly decent. So I don't have to go back and tell it to do all of this other stuff either afterwards. But if you take a look, one of the things that it did do is come back here and list all of your services. It used different icons. I thought that was very nice. So it built all of these things that, again, the services that I use in my Google Business profile. That's why I started with that, because now all of the services are listed here and you don't have to go back and add them. If you start with all of your services on your Google Business profile and then work backwards into the website, then this is what happens. And it's also, I think, just a good practice for doing it with your customers. That way you make sure their Google Business profile is updated and then their website reflects the services that are on the profile.